With Bitnamic Connect remote maintenance, you can meet technical challenges in a time and cost-saving manner. In an interactive video conference, you connect service personnel on site with experts worldwide. The connection is established quickly and easily via the Bitnamic Connect app. Alternatively, people can be invited via SMS and then participate directly in the browser. Direct communication between service personnel and experts enables solutions to be found quickly. Support is provided by synchronous functions such as the laser pointer, whiteboard, and flashlight. Thanks to mobile network optimization, the connection is maintained even with low bandwidths. However, if the session breaks off, the connection is automatically re-established. All participants have access to stored documentation and interactive 3D models. Intuitive tools such as the exploded view and the transparency slider help when viewing the CAD models together. The use of augmented reality glasses allows facts to be displayed in even greater detail. Thanks to the freedom of movement gained in this way, both hands can be used for working. Augmented reality is also available on the smartphone in AR mode. The integrated instant messenger enables messages and media to be exchanged quickly. Simultaneous translation is provided to overcome language barriers. All data and messages are of course encrypted in compliance with the GDPR for the highest possible level of data protection. Past meetings can be accessed at any time in the call history, including all media and information exchanged. It is also possible to connect to an existing ticket system, such as Salesforce. Solve problems in no time at all thanks to efficient and secure knowledge transfer with Bitnamic Connect remote maintenance.